Okay, so today I'm going to be doing the brow tutorial. Okay, so first you want to start with some pomade and you want to go in the middle of your brow and you want to follow your brow shape, because if you don't follow your brow shape, it's going to turn into a box. Okay, so then you want to go to the beginning, but you want to do it really soft, because if you do it hard, it's not going to look natural. Okay, so then you bring it to the tail. Okay, so now I'm doing the same thing that I did to the beginning. We're going to follow the bottom of my brow to the tail, and we're going to fill that in as we go. So now I'm going to fill it in with the rest of the product that I have left on the brush in the beginning, because you don't want to add too much to the beginning so it will look more natural. Okay, so now I'm taking the spoolie and I'm just going to blend out the product with that spoolie. Now at the tip of my brow, I want to blend it out more just so that will look more natural. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the same thing to the left brow as I did to the right brow. Nothing different, the same thing. Okay, so now I'm going in with a concealer brush and I'm going to conceal my brows. Now, I don't use concealer for my eyebrows because I find if you take pictures with flash, it will look ashy. So I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend that foundation in. So this is the finished results.